The glorious Paracord Bracelet Glory. Hello everyone, in today's video you're gonna learn how to make this beautiful Paracord Bracelet Glory. Creation done by our friend Elena Polkanova. This is the very elegant, very beautiful, and as you will see, very easy to make Paracord bracelet. So stay tuned, cause tutorial is right around the corner. And don't forget to enjoy and have fun. Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for today's awesome Paracord project. I'm very grateful for all your support, and I truly hope that you will like today's bracelets. For today's bracelets, we're gonna use this gold Paracord 550 and this black one also 550, Paracord JIG, Paracord Buckles, and a fit to insert our black working end into our bracelet core. But before we start, the credit for today's awesome Paracord bracelet goes to our dear friend Elena Polkanova, so make sure to check the link down below to Elena's or Elena Instagram profile. So that being said, we can start the full tutorial for this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends. If you already don't know how to make it, you have the full tutorial in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video, where you can find this beautiful tutorial for this beautiful Paracord bracelet as well. So that being said, I'm gonna take the end of a black Paracord and our feed, and we're gonna enter or insert our black Paracord. Let me just detach this. So we're gonna insert it through here, so through the cow's hitch, and then on top, so under the cow's hitch, and then to the other side of the cow's hitch as well. So now we have our core strands and the working ends, and we can start with the weaving process. So we're gonna take our left and the right gold Paracord and we're gonna pass it under the core strands and through the middle, like so. And from here we're gonna take our black Paracord and we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle. Now with our left strand, we're gonna pass it on top of these 2 core strands on the right side, then around and from the back through the middle, and we're gonna pull it. Now from this end we're gonna take the black Paracord again and place it on top of the 2 core strands on the left and through the middle and to the side. From here we're gonna simply twist our left strand with the right one, so we're gonna do a little braiding, and now we're gonna pass it on top of those 2 core strands, or place it on top of those 2 core strands on the left, around and from the back through the middle, and singe it. Now we're gonna proceed. We're gonna take again our black Paracord and make it around these first 2 core strands from the right side and to the side. Now we're gonna braid again. We're gonna take our right side cord and cross it with the left one, and then on top of these 2 core strands on the right, around and from the back through the middle. The black on top and through the middle. Now we take this left strand and make it around this right one, and to the side, and again on top of those two cord strands on the left, from the back through the middle. So as you can see, the whole process of weaving this bracelet or braiding is that we use our black paracord and pass it from the top into the middle and to the side. Now we crossed our right side strand and the left side strand around like so, and then on top of those two cord strands around from the back through the middle and cinch it. Pay attention to the black as well and pull it a bit to the top. Now again the black on top and to the through the middle. Now we're gonna take our left strand and cross it with the right strand like so, and again on top of the cord strands around from the back through the middle and cinch it. So once more, black from the top into the middle and to the side, then cross the left and the right, and now with the left strand now on top around from the back through and cinch it. So as you can see, we almost reached the end of today's project. Now we're gonna finish it. So I'm gonna take the feed and once more insert the black paracord from the top into the middle to secure it even more. And now I'm gonna tie this up, and from here we have two choices. First will be to pull these two gold cords through the middle here between the cow stitches, or we can pull this one into the cow stitches and cut this one here and melt him. So I'm gonna show you the second option. Our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like. Until the next time, I am wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!